Hello everyone. Last lecture in topic number 14, that is basic principles of organic chemistry, we are already completed homologous series and type of reaction. In this homologous series we are completed in a definition or according to state board level questions such as what are homologous series, explain with suitable example or explain homologous series. In this homologous series means homologous series of alcohol. Given the characters of homologous series is such as they have same general formula, same functional group, but each and every successive members are differ from bond CH2 bond, that is methylene group. These are the homologous series of alcohol or different types of organic compound. For example, alcohol की सीरीज हम लोगों ने देखा तो समझ में आ जाएगा कि मिथाइल अल्कोहल, इथाइल अल्कोहल, propyl alcohol, butyl alcohol and pentyl alcohol. In these 5 type of alcohol we are seen same general formula, same functional group, but they are differ from successive member bond CH2 bond, and the physical properties of these series are different because increasing molecular mass, but chemical properties of these series are similar, as well as the methods of preparation of these series, that is homologous series of organic compound, are also similar in method. Means each and every single method where can be prepared by this type of different types of the series of alcohols or series of organic compound. Then we are studying the type of reaction. In this type of reaction we are completed 4 type of reaction such as addition reaction, substitution reaction, rearrangement reaction and elimination reaction. Now we are continuous the new topic, new point, that is same topic, basic principles of organic chemistry. New point is nothing but the classification of organic compound, and these organic compound are classified on the basis of structure and on the basis of function group. Means organic compound are classified in the 2 types. First type is nothing but the organic compound classified on the basis of structure. It is also called as on the basis of carbon skeleton also. And second one is nothing but the classification of organic compound on the basis of function group. Now we are continuous in this lecture. The first point is nothing but the classification of organic compound on the basis of structure. Structure means carbon-carbon compound, carbon-carbon structure or carbon skeleton. So these points are very important according to state board level, NCERT level, CET, NEET and JEE level also, because different types of the examples can be explained in this point. How they are classified? Organic compounds are classified in a such a way that these are the organic compound are classified into 2 types. First one open chain compound and second one closed chain compound. What is mean by open chain compound? Okay, these are the organic compound in which carbon-carbon combine together to form open chain like structure, that is straight chain or branch chain is called open chain compound. It is also called aliphatic compound. This open chain compound is also called acyclic compounds. Means first carbon atom and last carbon atom cannot attach with each other. They are free, that is open chain. So these are the open chain compound, and these open chain compound are classified into 2 types. First one straight chain compound and second one branch chain compound. What does it mean by straight chain compound? Straight chain compound, for example, मैं इधर एग्जाम्पल लिखने वाला हूँ तो एग्जाम्पल के साथ आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. स्ट्रेट चेन कंपाउंड मीन्स 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. ओके अगर मुझे इसकी वैलेंसी कंप्लीट करने हैं तो कंप्लीट करने के लिए हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन्स आर रिक्वायर्ड इन दिस स्ट्रक्चर, तो 3 हाइड्रोजन्स. हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन्स आर रिक्वायर्ड इन दिस दैट कार्बन एटम, 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम. दिस कार्बन एटम आल्सो 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम, दिस कार्बन एटम 2 and this carbon atom so 3 carbon atom. So in this point these are the nothing but the 5 carbon atom, that is molecular formula C5H10 is nothing but the pentane. It is called as pentane. These are the n-pentane because they are having straight chain. Straight chain because these are the organic compound. Carbon carbon are having single bond, double bond or triple bond, but without branching. Without branching is nothing but the straight chain compound. Okay, and this first carbon atom and last carbon atom, or these are the first carbon atom or last carbon atom, do not connect with each other. They do not form a cyclic compound, do not form a ring. So these are the open chain compound. It is also called aliphatic compound. It is also called acyclic compound. They do not form a cycle, they do not form a chain. Okay, so during this result, these are the straight chain compound because do not have a branching. These are the straight chain or straight chain open compound or straight chain aliphatic compound. Second one, branch chain compound. What is it mean by branch chain compound? These are also open chain compound but having branching. Okay, for example, these are the first example of straight chain compound. Second example, 1 2 3 4 and 5 मैं इस तरह से लिख देता हूँ. अभी 5 की स्ट्रेट चेन होते हैं, अभी इसमें 1 2 3 4 की स्ट्रेट चेन है और एक मैंने ब्रांचिंग में लिखा है. दिस आर द ब्रांच चेन कंपाउंड बट दिस आर द वैलेंसी. पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वैलेंसी कंप्लीट करेंगे. अगर इस कार्बन एटम की वैलेंसी कंप्लीट करने के लिए हम लोगों को 4 हाइड्रोजन की रिक्वायरमेंट है. ऑलरेडी 1 बॉन्ड है तो इसमें हो गया 3. इधर 2 वैलेंस है तो हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन आर रिक्वायर्ड 2. 1 2 3 बॉन्ड है तो इसको रिक्वायर करने के लिए 1 हाइड्रोजन काफी है तो इसके लिए CH3 और इसके लिए CH3. सो दीज आर द आइसोपेंटेन. These are nothing but the isopentane. In this case and in this case, these are the n-pentane, these are the isopentane. They are without branching. These are with branching. And the without branching is nothing but the straight chain compound and branch chain compound without with branching. They are single, double, triple, जितनी भी चाहे उतनी ब्रांचिंग हो सकती है लेकिन ब्रांचिंग है. इधर एक भी ब्रांचिंग नहीं है तो स्ट्रेट चेन ब्रांच चेन कंपाउंड. Means n-pentane, isopentane, and these are the open chain compound because of first and last carbon atom do not connect with each other. First and last carbon atom or first or last carbon atom do not connect with each other. They do not form a cycle. They do not form a ring. So these are the open chain compound. These are the open chain compound. These are the open chain straight chain compound. These are the open chain branch chain compound because it contains branching. Okay, so first point we are completed. Open chain compound, it is also called aliphatic, alicyclic and branch chain and straight chain also. Okay, next point is nothing but the closed chain compound because organic compound are classified into two types, open chain compound and closed chain compound. Now we are completed closed chain compound. What does it mean by closed chain compound? It is also called as cyclic compound. What does it mean by cyclic compound? These are the organic compound in which carbon carbon combine together or connected together to form one or more ring in their structure. One or more ring. Okay. So these are also called as cyclic. They do not open, means first carbon atom and last carbon atom combine with each other. They do not open like structure. They are having a ring like structure. They are having a cyclic like a structure, just like a cycle. Okay, so these are the closed chain compound. It is also called as cyclic compound, and these closed chain compound are classified into two types. First one, homocyclic compound and heterocyclic compound. So what is mean by homocyclic and what is mean by heterocyclic? Homocyclic means these are the organic compound which contain one or more benzene ring made up of only carbon atom. मीन्स इसमें जो भी रिंग रहेगी, जो भी साइकिल कार्बन एटम की रहेगी, ओनली फॉर मेड अप ऑफ कार्बन एटम ओनली. कार्बन के सिवा इसमें कुछ भी अलग सा कंपाउंड उसमें नहीं रहेगा. सेकेंड, हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड. दीज आर द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. हेटेरोसाइक्लिक मीन्स दीज आर द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इन विच ring, that is one or more rings made up of not only carbon atom, they contain one or more heteroatoms in their structure. Means हम लोग एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे, एग्जाम्पल के बाद आप लोगों को ये समझ में आ जाएगा एक्चुअली होमोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड मीन्स क्या एंड हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड मीन्स क्या. दिस होमोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड आर आल्सो बी कॉल्ड एज कार्बोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड. ओके, कार्बोसाइक्लिक मीन्स carbon, cyclic compound with carbon atom only, so it is called carbocyclic compound. Okay, and these homocyclic compound are classified into two types. First one, alicyclic compound, and second one, aromatic compound. What is mean by alicyclic compound? Alicyclic compound means these are the organic compound which contain carbon one or more ring in their structure, but this ring made up of only carbon atom, that is carbocyclic or alicyclic compound. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस alicyclic कंपाउंड के एग्जाम्पल देखिए. फर्स्ट मैं एक एग्जाम्पल लिख देता हूं, दिस वन. These are nothing but the cyclobutane. It is called as cyclobutane. ये है उसका बॉन्ड लाइन फॉर्मूला. अभी इस बॉन्ड लाइन फॉर्मूला में इधर एक कार्बन एटम है, सेकेंड कार्बन एटम है, थर्ड कार्बन एटम है, फोर्थ कार्बन एटम है. ओके, मीन्स they are having ring like structure, they are having cyclic structure. means अगर मैंने इसको फर्स्ट नंबर दिया, इसको सेकेंड दिया, इसको थर्ड दिया, इसको फोर्थ दिया, तो फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट कार्बन एटम कंबाइन विथ ईच अदर, क्यों कनेक्टेड विथ ईच अदर, दैट इज ए कंप्लीटेड साइकिल. दे डू नॉट ओपन. जैसे कि हम लोगों ने ओपन चेन कंपाउंड में देखा है, दीज आर द ओपन चेन कंपाउंड, that is first and last carbon atom do not connect with each other. But in this case, that is closed chain compound, that is cyclic compound, first and last carbon atom connected with each other. So these are the cyclic compound, and in this cyclic compound these are the compound. आता इसका मैं क्या कर लेता हूँ, स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला बना देता हूँ. तो इसको वैलेंसी के लिए इधर आएगा CH2, इधर आएगा CH2, इधर आएगा CH2 और इधर भी आएगा CH2, और दे कंबाइन विथ ईच अदर. मीन्स 4 कार्बन एटम having valency CH2 CH2 CH2, means all these carbon ring or only one or more ring made up of carbon atom only, without बिना कार्बन के सिवा इधर किस दूसरा और कोई भी एटम नहीं है. सो ओनली कार्बन एटम. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज कार्बोसाइक्लिक और होमोसाइक्लिक, एंड इन दिस कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड alicyclic कंपाउंड. फॉर एग्जांपल साइक्लोब्यूटेन. सेकेंड, alicyclic में अनदर एग्जांपल मैं ले लेता हूं, इज नथिंग बट द these are the nothing but the cyclopropane. These are also called as alicyclic compound because these ring or these cyclic compound having made up of only carbon atom. Carbon atom देखिए, इधर एक कार्बन एटम है, सेकेंड कार्बन एटम है, थर्ड कार्बन एटम है. These are made up of carbon atom only. These are called cyclopropane. These are the cyclobutane. Next, इस तरह से भी हम लोग एग्जाम्पल लिख सकते हैं. These are called cyclobutane होता. अब ये cyclobutene because it connected by double bond. So cyclobutene, cyclobutyne. So these are the different types of alicyclic compounds. Means which ring is made up of only carbon atom having single, double, triple bond, but these alicyclic compounds having carbon chain only, cyclic compound. Or okay, then these homocyclic compound are classified into another point, that is nothing but the aromatic compound. Means first one alicyclic compound, second one aromatic compound. What does it mean by aromatic compound? Aromatic compound means these are the organic compound in which it contains at least one benzene ring in their structure. आप लोगों को तो बेंजीन रिंग पता ही है. अभी मैं दिखाता हूँ बेंजीन रिंग क्या है. These are the benzene ring. Okay, these are the benzene ring alternate double bond. Means alicyclic compound में साइकिल थी, लेकिन साइकिल की कार्बन एटम भी थी, कार्बन के मेड अप ऑफ ओनली कार्बन एटम, साइक्लिक और रिंग स्ट्रक्चर, बट दीज alicyclic डू नॉट हैव अ अल्टरनेट डबल बॉन्ड. अल्टरनेट मीन्स इस तरह से बेंजीन रिंग इसमें नहीं थी. ये बेंजीन रिंग मीन्स अल्टरनेट डबल बॉन्ड. इट शोज एरोमेटिक इन नेचर. इट फॉलोज डिफरेंस ऑफ आप रूल्स वगैरह वो फॉलो करता है, लेकिन alicyclic में ऐसे कुछ रूल्स नहीं है. सो दीज आर द बेंजीन एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड. मीन दीज आर द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इन विच द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड कंटेन्स एटलीस्ट one benzene ring in their structure. So these are called aromatic compound. These aromatic compound are classified into two types: benzenoid aromatic compound and a non-benzenoid aromatic compound. What is mean by benzenoid? and non-benzenide aromatic compound. Benzenide aromatic compounds means these are the organic compound which contain benzene ring in their structure. For example, benzene. मैंने इधर ही एग्जाम्पल लिख दिया है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेंजीन. इसके और भी एग्जाम्पल हो सकते हैं. तो आपको बेंजीन तो समझ में गया. नैप्थेलिन भी है. नैप्थेलिन के लिए मैं इधर क्या लेता हूँ और एक स्ट्रक्चर बना लेता हूँ. These are also called as benzene. They are contain benzene ring in the structure. So these are the naphthalene. These are the benzenide aromatic compound because these are the organic compound contain benzene ring in their structure, but they are having aromatic in nature. What is meant by non-benzenide aromatic compound? These are the compound which are having aromatic in nature but do not contain benzene ring in their structure. These are the aromatic in nature. Okay, these are the aromatic in nature because these are the aromatic compound, but in this aromatic nature they contain only benzene ring and they do not contain benzene ring. Okay, so non-benzenide aromatic compound, these are the organic compound which having aromatic in nature but do not contain benzene ring in their structure. For example, tropone. tropone में देखिए ये बेंजीन रिंग नहीं है बिकॉज ये रूल्स नहीं फॉलो करते. ओके, तो दीज आर द नॉट ए बेंजीन रिंग बट दीज आर द एरोमेटिक इन नेचर. दे आर एरोमेटिक इन नेचर. दे आर नॉट ए हैविंग अ बेंजीन रिंग. बेंजीन रिंग type, these are the benzene ring but these are not a benzene ring. Okay, but these are the aromatic in nature. So non-benzenide aromatic in compound. Okay, the next point is nothing but the closed chain compound are classified homocyclic compound and heterocyclic compound, and these heterocyclic compound, these are the organic compound in which the carbon chain, that is one or more ring made up of not only carbon, it contains one or more heteroatoms in their structure. For example, it कार्बन के चेन के बीच में कभी ऑक्सीजन भी आ सकता है, नाइट्रोजन आ सकता है, सल्फर आ सकता है. So these are the heteroatoms are attached in this ring. They are classified into two types: heterocyclic aromatic compound, heterocyclic non-aromatic compound. Means these are the aromatic in nature but they do not contain only carbon chain. It contain carbon plus other heteroatoms in their ring. ring में एक और अनदर कार्बन. फॉर एग्जांपल पुरान, इसमें देखिए इसमें एक कार्बन एटम है, सेकेंड कार्बन एटम है, थर्ड कार्बन एटम है, फोर्थ कार्बन एटम, बट इधर कार्बन एटम नहीं है. इस रिंग के लिए कंप्लीशन करने के लिए अगर इधर कार्बन एटम होता तो दीज आर द होमोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड, बट इधर कार्बन एटम नहीं है, इसमें एक अनदर ऑक्सीजन एटम है. सो इट कंटेन्स हेटेरो एटम. मीन्स कार्बन के चेन के बीच में एक हेटेरो एटम्स आ गया. सो इट इज कॉल्ड हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड. मीन्स कार्बन की जी को साइकिल है, उस साइकिल में कार्बन के अलावा अगर दूसरा कोई एटम आता है चेन में तो इसे कॉल हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड. दिस आर द फूरन, दैट इज दिस आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ heterocyclic aromatic compound. Why it is aromatic compound? Because it contains carbon chain as well as heteroatoms in their structure, in their ring, and it contains or follow aromatic in nature. Means they are shows aromatic in nature. Second, heterocyclic non-aromatic compound. Heterocyclic non-aromatic compound means, heterocyclic means these are the compound which contain the benzene ring or which contain the ring. They having carbon made up of carbon with different types of heteroatom also, and these heteroatom means for example मैंने ऑक्सीजन ही ले लिया तो इसमें देखा जाए तो इधर एक कार्बन एटम है, इधर एक कार्बन एटम है, इधर एक कार्बन है, इधर का मुझे 4 कार्बन एटम विथ 1 ऑक्सीजन एटम, दी रिंग कंप्लीशन होते हैं. तो इसके कारण अगर देखा जाए तो हेटेरोसाइक्लिक नॉन एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड में दे डू नॉट फॉलो द रूल्स, दे डू नॉट हैव एरोमेटिक इन नेचर. सो फॉर एग्जांपल THF, जिसे कहते हैं THF इज नथिंग बट द टेट्राहाइड्रोफुरन. इसे कहते हैं टेट्राहाइड्रोफुरन. ओके, अगर इस पूरा ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में देखा जाए, दिस आर द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैं थोड़ा सा फिर से एक बार एक्सप्लेनेशन करके देता हूं. दिस क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड आर क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ structure or carbon skeleton. Second one, these organic compounds are classified also in functional group. In this structure, we are classified boswine, that is on the basis of carbon skeleton or structure. These organic compounds are classified on the basis of carbon skeleton or structure, two types: open chain compound, closed chain compound. What is meant by open chain compound? These are the organic compound which contain open chain like structure. They carbon connect together, attach together to form open acid. That is means first and last carbon atom do not form a ring, do not attach, they do not form a ring. So these are the open chain compound. It is also called aliphatic and alicyclic compound. They are classified into two types: straight chain compound and branch chain compound. Straight chain compound means kya? These are the compound in which with having without branching, but they are open in structure. And branch chain compound means kya? They are having branching with open structure. For example, straight chain में N-pentane, N-butane, N-hexane, N-heptane, these are the different types of example. In the branch chain compound में isopentane, neopentane, इस तरह के एग्जाम्पल हम लोग दे सकते हैं. उसके बाद में क्लोज चेन कंपाउंड मीन्स दे कंटेन बेंजीन रिंग. बेंजीन इस तरह से नहीं बोल सकते, लेकिन दे कंटेन रिंग, वन और मोर रिंग in their structure. Means first and last carbon atom attached with other, connected with other to form a cycle or to form a ring. And they are classified into two types: homocyclic compound, heterocyclic compound. अभी ये जो क्लासिफिकेशन है किसके बेस पे हुआ है? तो टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मेड अप ऑफ रिंग. अगर वो जो रिंग है जो ये कंपाउंड बनाता है ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड ओनली कार्बन एटम की है, तो इसे कॉल कार्बोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड और होमोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड. अगर जो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड जो रिंग बना रहा है अगर वो ओनली कार्बन एटम की नहीं है, उसके अंदर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ हेटेरो एटम्स भी है, तो उसे कहते हैं हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड. एंड दीज होमोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू टाइप्स: alicyclic compound and aromatic compound. Alicyclic compound means क्या? These are the ring which contain, these are the organic compound which contain only carbon ring. Okay, because these rings are made up of only carbon atom. For example, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane, cycloheptane. These are the different types of the example. Aromatic compound. These are the organic compound which contain at least one benzene ring in their structure. This is called aromatic compound. And these aromatic compounds are classified into two types: benzenoid and non-benzenoid. What is meant by benzenoid? They are aromatic in nature, but they contain benzene in the structure. Non-benzenoid aromatic means these are the aromatic in nature, but they do not contain benzene ring in their structure. For example, benzene and non-benzenoid. For example, tropone. Okay, different as example अपने बुक में भी दे चुके हैं. मैंने इधर एक ही एग्जाम्पल लिया है जो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. देन हेटेरोसाइक्लिक, these are the organic compound which made up of one or more ring in their structure, but these are ring only carbon atom की नहीं, तो उसमें one or more hetero atoms are present in the structure. So they are classified into heterocyclic aromatic, heterocyclic non-aromatic. Aromatic means they shows aromatic in nature, having ring, but ring not only carbon atom, it contains other atom, that is heteroatom, for example furan. And these are non-aromatic in nature, they do not having a aromatic compound, but their ring is contain heteroatoms. Okay, not only carbon, it contains in this chain heteroatom, that is oxygen, for example THF. Okay, इस तरह से हम लोगों ने कंप्लीशन किया है क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कार्बन स्केलेटन और स्ट्रक्चर. Thank you.